Wow, a lot of gaslighting tactics online, trying to create hate, trying to make me hate some people because of what they did in the past. Well, let me tell you this. I don't want them. I don't need them. Not really. Not ever. Not forever. But I don't hate anyone. I move on with my life. You know why? Those people were part of my lessons. And why would I hate anyone when the divine loves me so much? I am closely connected to them. I am instructed every move that I did. When they took away people from me, I didn't disobey because I know it's for my own good. I was instructed actually, and they took many people away from me because it wasn't good for me. You know how this happened? From the start of this journey, I told them, please intervene. If anything toxic, if anything bad, that's going to happen, please intervene. I entrust to you 1001% of my life. I completely trust the divine. This is why in every hardships, I fall. Keep silent for a while. Heal me and go back. Because I know I am loved. I know I am protected. I know how close my connection to them is. It's really, really that close. Just like yesterday, my angelic divine counterpart just popped up beside me, hold my shoulder. Of course, nobody see it. And then telling me, just a little more patience, my love. We're going to be together soon. He's an angelic divine counterpart. I'm not talking about human because I don't have one. Alright?